My name is Donna Elsa Shaji. I am studying in 5th standard in Baligamanam High Secondary School. Today I am going to presenting the story of fisherman and his wife. The mirror. Long ago, a fisherman and his wife lived on an island. It was a lonely island. The people of the island living in a simple life. They had no mobile, television, electricity, newspaper, etc. The islanders came to know the world outside was the ships that passed the island. The sailors in the ship threw all worn out toothbrushes, broken buckets, torn shoes, etc. into the sea. When these things came on the shore, the islanders collect them. One day, fisherman was walking on the seashore. After the death of his father, it was the first time he was going out. "Oh, my father, how loving he was! Never can I see him again." Suddenly, a flash of light fell on his eyes. Something shining on the sand. He picked it up and looked at it. He had never seen such a thing before. He saw a face in it. He was scared. He threw it away. He walked towards it again. He had never seen his own face before. He thought it was his father's face. He was very happy and he thanked God for sending his father's picture. What a surprise! He smiled at the picture. He turned the mirror to see if his father was behind it, but he could not see anyone. Once more he turned the mirror to his face. "Ah, my loving father," he spoke to his father. His father's lips moved, but he heard nothing. He became sad. He cried. His father too seemed to cry. He held the mirror close to his heart and went home. The fisherman reached home and called his wife in excitement. "See, who's there in it?" Fisherman showed the mirror. She looked eagerly into the mirror. She saw the face of a woman in it. "Oh, my mother, she looks so young." She was thrilled. "Where did you get this thing?" "Mother." "Whose mother?" The fisherman turned the mirror towards his face. "It's my father." She grabbed the mirror from him and looked into it again. "Are you joking? It's my mother," she cried out. The man was annoyed and snatched the mirror from her hands. He looked at it again to assure himself that it was his father. "There's something wrong with you. You are going crazy. I'll never show you this again," he said. His wife tried to grab the mirror from him. The fisherman held on to it. They started battling for the mirror. The mirror fell down on the floor and broke into pieces. They stopped fighting and looked at the pieces. The pieces reflect their images. Thank you.